Class 9th, Social Science, Chapter number 1. Next topic, Resources of Natural Environment. Nature has given us many gifts. So man is fulfilling his needs through them, like rocks, minerals, soil, rivers, plants, animals, etc. So the value of any of the resources expressed with reference to economy, law, morality, and aesthetics. Now, what is economy? Economy is a system according to which the money, industry, and trade of a country or region is organized. Low morality. Low morality means it speaks of a system of behavior in regards to standard of right or wrong. And if we talk about aesthetics, it is a study of art. So when any of the physical thing or matter is useful or valuable for man, it is known as a resource. So resources are generally of three types. Okay. Types of resources: natural resources, human resources, man-made resources. So renewable resources. Renewable resources में क्या क्या आ रहा है हमारा? It's air, agriculture, water, forests, all the natural things. Non-renewable resources में है non-cyclic fuels, fossil fuels, your coal, petrol, cyclic metallic, minerals. Human resources, population, health, education, work efficiency. Man-made resource, buildings, roads, socio-political institution. So the resources which are given to us by nature are called natural resources. जो resources हमको naturally by nature मिले हैं उनको हम natural resources बोलते हैं. Renewable resources क्या होते हैं? वो resources जो कि हम बार बार यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अगर एक बार suppose यूज़ किया तो we can use it again and again, like forests, pastures, agricultural land. Means those resources which can be used again and again are called renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are those resources which once used cannot be used again. Like we cannot reproduce it, like petroleum, coal.